Hey, welcome back. How you're doing? Hope you're well. Today we've just finished editing the video and we're just about to head out and go and meet up with my brother and his girlfriend again, the ones we met with last time. This time we're actually going not very far away from here, to be fair. We're going to Wolfsford, which is only probably a 10-minute drive away. We're going to explore some of the public footpaths around there. We went for a little wander last time, but we didn't do the full circuit, and you can get a nice view of Beaver Castle and stuff, and at the minute it's really nice. It might be raining later though, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, hopefully we get some really nice views, and if the weather stays like this, it should be beautiful.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?
So we've just got to the start of the walk. We actually started at a pub called the Checkers Inn, which Lynn's brother got married at a couple of years ago, so it brings back a few good memories. But where we're actually walking, it should take you about 2.5 hours, and it starts up a hill, so that's a great start. So I told you it started with a hill. Look at the size of this thing.
My legs are burning.
Oh, I'm out of breath. I'm me really unfit.
I'm really fit when it comes to walking on flats. As soon as I'm walking up an hill, like dying.
I did say I wanted to tie my legs up.
Yes, well, definitely one way to do it. This is what I've got waiting for us.
I'm waiting for something to change, 'cause when I'm not here, it's like I'm falling, and I don't know why I feel pain, 'cause when I'm not here, I keep on falling. Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you. Yeah, I've been waiting in silence.
So we finished the walk now. We're back at the top of the hill that we started at. We came up here with Robert and Laura, which is my brother and his fiance, to come and enjoy the view. Because how could you not enjoy that? But yeah, so we've been sat up here. I've got our drone out as well and had a bit of a fly around with it. And Robert's just bought a drone as well, so they've been playing about with their drone. I hope we've got a nice couple of shots out of it. We'll see when we get back and look at them on the computer. But yeah, the walk was actually really nice. I think it was about 4 miles, wasn't it, in total?
Yeah, it was about 4 miles in total. We did cut off a couple of corners unknowingly, but it was still really nice, and we still got to see the lovely countryside.
There was 2 walks right next to each other. There was the Viking Way, I think it's called, and the one we did, I don't know what it was called. It was just on AllTrails on the app on there, and we just followed that. But we've been using public footpaths a lot more recently, and we've been really enjoying it, haven't we?
Yeah, it's really nice because you get to see actually the local countryside, and some of the paths are actually really nice. So I don't see the point of paying to go in to see a gardens when I've got this out here for free.
Yeah, literally, you pay nothing for this, and it's absolutely stunning. So if you've got some public footpaths near you, which I'm sure you have because they're all over the country, definitely worth having a look into it and seeing what there is about, because there's bound to be some really nice spots near you. So we're going to start heading back to the farm now. We've just heard some thunder in the distance and we don't want to get caught in that, and it actually looks like there's a big downpour as well heading our way, so we're going to shoot off pretty sharpish.
Yes.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind.
back at the farm now. We're just going to end the video here because it's 11 o'clock at night. We've just had dinner and stuff. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Searching for glory.